Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the best ways to make passive income in 2020. Before we start, hit like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. There has never been a better moment to discover new passive income ideas. Your income has a significant impact on your lifestyle and degree of comfort. If you've just discovered that your salary is no longer sufficient to support your lifestyle, or if you simply want to generate extra money, you need a passive income strategy. Passive income provides financial security and peace of mind without requiring you to actively work for it. By finding the right passive income strategy for you, you can develop passive income streams that allow you more flexibility and freedom. Some great passive income ideas and streams have emerged over the last decade, making it even easier for novices to generate additional money. Let's define passive income and outline some popular strategies you can use in the sections that follow. Please note that the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of investment or financial advice. The content in this video is so curated to suffice for the purpose of being informative and educational. You're requested to conduct your diligent market research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. Number 1. Create a course. One famous method for passive profits is developing an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Alternatively, you may use the freemium model, in which you establish a following by providing free content and then charge for more thorough information or for people who want to learn more. This methodology might be used by language teachers and stock-picking guidance, for example. The free material demonstrates your competence and may entice people wanting to advance their careers. Number 2. Rental revenue. Investing in rental houses is a great method to make money while you sleep. However, it frequently necessitates more effort than individuals anticipate. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary (AIF) in the Los Angeles region and author of The 7% Solution, You Can Afford a Comfortable Retirement, if you don't take the time to learn how to make it a lucrative endeavor, you might lose your investment and then some. Graves recommends deciding on 3 things to obtain passive revenue from rental properties. 1. How much return you want on the investment. 2. The property's total costs and expenses. 3. The financial risks of owning the property. For example, if your objective is to produce $10,000 in rental cash flow each year and the home has a $2,000 monthly mortgage plus $300 in taxes and other expenditures, you'll need to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to achieve your target. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media influencers, and bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third-party product by providing a link to it on their site or social media account. Although Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, other big brands include eBay, Awin, and Share a Sale. Instagram and TikTok in particular have grown in popularity among those trying to build a following and market their businesses. You might also try building an email list that helps readers find your blog, or to lead them to items and services they might be interested in. The site owner receives a commission when a visitor clicks on the link and purchases anything from the third-party affiliate. The fee might be anything from 3% to 7%, so you'll need a lot of visitors to your site to make any money. However, if you can increase your audience or find a more lucrative sector, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is seen as passive, since in principle, you may make money by simply putting a link on your website or social media account. In actuality, if you can't get visitors to your site to click on the link and buy something, you won't make any money. Number 4. Vending machine business. This is one of the most undervalued passive income opportunities. However, it is a terrific method to generate money, particularly if you have located the ideal location for your vending machine. You'll make a significant profit if you install the machine in a strategic location, given the quantity of people that enter and exit that location. Vending machines that are strategically located may yield $100 per week or even hundreds of dollars per day. For example, if one vending machine in a prime location can bring in $50 to $100 per month, if you buy 100 vending machines, all in prime locations, you may be able to hit an average of $1,000 per day. Like any business, most states require vending route operators to obtain the proper permits and licenses required by their local ordinances. When planning to start a vending machine business, it's important to check your local ordinances. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. When you sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be able to make money off of YouTube. You must be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian who is at least 18 years old and can manage your AdSense payments. You must provide material that adheres to their advertiser-friendly rules. Before you're approved into the YouTube Partner Program, Google will assess your channel. They also check channels on a regular basis to make sure you're following all their regulations and standards. YouTube channels can be monetized even if they don't have millions of subscribers. Your earning potential isn't determined solely by the number of subscribers and views you have, but also by the level of engagement you generate, the niche you cater to, and the revenue channels you explore. Popular YouTubers build their audiences in millions and then launch their own merchandise. They also partner with different brands that are looking to target specific audiences. Brands are now spending their typically large advertising budgets on influencers who've already won the loyalty of their audiences. This creates a massive opportunity for you as a creator if you can negotiate the right deals. Number 6. Amazon FBA. Amazon has become a terrific source of passive income for people looking to boost their income. You may utilize Amazon's platform to sell anything online if you have something to offer. Amazon is a massive company. It is the third largest website in the United States. Amazon also offers a number of various fulfillment options, including the Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA platform. Its FBA program works similarly to eBay in that you have things to sell and all you need to do now is locate buyers. The main advantage of utilizing FBA is that you don't have to be concerned about anything. Amazon keeps your merchandise and does all of the selection, packaging, and shipping for you. Amazon has more than 175 fulfillment centers across the world, totaling more than 150 million square feet of storage space. With FBA, you get to store your stuff on those shelves. You also get Amazon's world-class customer service and returns, along with other advantages like automatic Prime eligibility and free Super Saver shipping that helps you scale your business fast. The other option allows sellers to fulfill their own orders. Each method comes with its own pros and cons. Steps to start making passive income through Amazon FBA. 1. Look for things that are both distinctive and profitable to market. 2. Something that is in high demand yet is hard to come by in offline retail markets. 3. Locate the manufacturers of those items. 4. To make a respectable profit margin, keep in mind that you must buy low and sell high. 5. Set the pricing for these items and list them on Amazon using your seller account. 6. To compete with other Amazon sellers, you'll need a competitive price plan. 7. On the listings page, provide appropriate product names and descriptions. 8. Consider how you can best assist clients in finding your items, finding answers to their queries, and making a buying choice. 9. All of the things should be sent to Amazon at the same time. 10. Amazon takes responsibility for the packaging, labeling, and shipping of products through Fulfillment by Amazon. 11. Amazon collects payment, deducts their fees, and then sends you money twice per month. Once you've launched your business, Amazon has tools in place to help you take your business to the next level. Amazon's advertising solutions create new ways for you to reach and engage shoppers, regardless of whether they're just starting to compare products or ready to make a purchase. Ads show up right where customers will see them, like the first page of search results or product detail pages. What do you think about this video? Let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.